Welcome to this video on Bash for System Administration. In this video, we will explore the basics of Bash, its uses in system administration, and some common tasks you can automate with it. Introduction to Bash. Bash, our born-again shell, is a powerful command line interpreter used for interacting with the operating system. It is a scripting language, meaning you can write programs to automate tasks. Basic Bash commands. Let's start with some basic Bash commands. ls lists files and directories in the current directory.cd, changes the current directory. mkdir creates a new directory. removes files and directories. mv moves or renames files and directories. cp copies files and directories. Using Bash for system administration. Now, let's see how we can use Bash for system administration. Check disk usage. Use the df command to display disk usage. Check memory usage. Use the free command to display memory usage. Check CPU usage. Use the top command to display CPU usage. Manage users and groups. Use the UserAdd, UserDel, GroupAdd, and GroupDel commands to manage users and groups. Automate tasks. Use Bash scripts to automate repetitive tasks. Bash scripting. Bash scripting is a powerful way to automate tasks. Let's write a simple Bash script to check disk USAGEAND. Send an email if it's low. Conclusion. Bash is a powerful tool for system administrators. It can be used to automate tasks, manage users and groups, and monitor system resources. With a little practice, you can become a Bash expert. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.